DigiDish AI is one of the latest AI tools that has just been released, and today we're going to dive into 7 crucial things you need to know before you try it. If you're someone who's interested in maximizing your digital marketing strategy, or you're simply trying to make smarter decisions for your business, DigiDish AI could be exactly what you've been waiting for. And yes, you can try it completely free from the first link below, but I'll cover exactly why it might be worth your time in this review. First off, DigiDish AI isn't just another AI tool in the crowded market. This software is designed to help businesses optimize their digital marketing campaigns by utilizing cutting-edge machine learning algorithms that analyze your website data and content strategy. In short, it helps you understand what's working, what's not, and what your audience is truly responding to. What stands out about DigiDish AI is its ability to integrate seamlessly with multiple platforms, including major ad networks, social media platforms, and even Google Analytics. This means you won't be jumping between multiple tools trying to piece together your strategy. Instead, DigiDish does it for you in real time. This allows you to make data-driven decisions much faster than before. One of the most powerful features is the AI's ability to provide personalized recommendations based on your current campaign data. Whether you're running ads on Facebook, Google, or even TikTok, DigiDish AI scans your content and suggests tweaks to improve engagement, conversions, and ROI. This is huge for marketers who need a tool that works in real time, adapting to trends as they evolve rather than after the fact. Another crucial point to consider is the user interface. DigiDish is designed to be intuitive and accessible, even for beginners who might be new to AI-powered tools. While the underlying technology is highly advanced, the interface feels simple, making it easy to understand and implement the insights it provides. Now let's talk about its analytics capabilities. DigiDish AI tracks not only your basic metrics like clicks and impressions, but also dives deeper into behavioral analytics, tracking how users interact with your content and where they drop off. This level of insight into your audience's journey is incredibly valuable for refining your content strategy and improving overall performance. If you're looking to save time while also improving your ad campaigns, DigiDish's automation features are a game changer. The tool automates routine tasks such as optimizing bidding strategies, creating personalized content, and A/B testing variations of your campaigns. It's like having a dedicated marketing assistant working round the clock. While DigiDish AI is a powerful tool, it's important to note that it's still relatively new, so there are some growing pains. The support team is responsive, but as with any new software, there might be occasional bugs or missing features that need addressing. However, given the rate at which the software is evolving, you can expect improvements with each update. Finally, the pricing. DigiDish AI offers a free trial, so you can test it out before committing to a paid plan. This is one of the most attractive parts of DigiDish. It allows you to experience the core features and see if it's a good fit for your business without any risk. And if you're like me and have tried countless AI software tools, you'll appreciate the transparency and value DigiDish brings, especially given its potential to save you time and money in the long run. If you're ready to take your digital marketing to the next level, I highly recommend giving DigiDish AI a shot. You can access the free trial from the first link below, and after trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say this one is worth your attention. Before I wrap up, don't forget to check out the other AI software recommendations in the description, all of which I've personally tested to help make your decision easier.